What's up, flawless gang? I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are doing another wig install. As you guys can see, these Harriet Tubman braids is still in, and I'm sorry, this will be the last time y'all will see me with these braids. I'm washing my hair today, but I wanted to do one last install before I wash my hair and stuff like that. So I'm super excited for this wig install. It's such a cute color. It's literally colored hair. I've never done colored hair, and this is actually my first frontals. So with all that being said, before we get into the video, make sure you guys are following me on social media. My Instagram is @shalishasflawless, Snapchat is princessgirl18, and Twitter is xxshalishasflawless. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the flawless gang. I would love to have you here, a part of the family, so we can keep growing and get to that 100K milestone, because period, we going up all fall and winter. Let's go ahead and get right into this wig install. Okay, so the company I'm teaming up with today is called Yolova, and this is a new hair company I've never heard of before, so they reached out and wanted to collab. I'm like, oh yes, I'm excited. So this is their super cute packaging. First of all, let's get into this holographic box. So it just says their name, Born for Beauty, and Yolova. Love this box. This is just what the wig comes in. Then inside that box you get one of these nice little satin bags with their name on the front, and inside they always give you some nice little, you know, free gifts with your purchase. So this was just the bag, and also it came with, you know, the foam to keep the shape of the hair. But in this, it did come with some tweezers, but I cannot find them because I used it to pluck this wig. But they did give me some tweezers, and they gave me, of course, some wig caps and some eyelashes. So these are just some of the free gifts they give you in your package, so thank you so much for this. It's giving Beyonce vibes. So let me show y'all this wig and what I did to it. Okay, so here is the wig. I love this color. Now this is like a highlighted honey blonde wig. Now this is beautiful. This is 22 inches, I believe. I was originally supposed to be sent 12. I was gonna do like a bob. I think that would have been cute too, but they ended up sending me this, and I think I actually like the long one better, so I'm glad they kind of sent me this by accident. But yes, I plucked the hairline and everything. I bleached the knots a little bit. Even though the hair is light, you know, you don't really need to pluck or bleach too much. This wig came pre-plucked also. The hairline was nice. When I did first open this, it had a really bad, like, fishy smell. I have to be honest, I have to be real, because that's just who I am. Y'all know I keep it real and honest on this channel. So they say when it comes into that smelly, fishy odor, I guess something happened through with it being shipped to me. So when I first got it, the FedEx guy brought it to me, and the bag was like sliced, like it was opened. I was like, why is my bag opened? But nothing was wrong with the wig. But I guess I contacted Yolova, and they said, you know, something happened during transit and that they would replace my wig if I wanted it. But I washed it 2 good times, conditioned it, and it came out beautiful. The quality of this hair is so nice. It's so silky. It just takes heat so well. It bleaches really nice. I didn't have to do too much bleaching. It was a little difficult, you know, the first time, but then I did second round of bleach and it worked fine. This hair takes heat beautifully. I'm talking about this hair takes straightening, hot comb, curling, like it just is beautiful. And I am so excited to put this on my head. Like, I'm just like, yes, like I've never done color, and since it's officially fall, we about to be getting into these colored wigs. I want to do burgundy next. I think on my skin tone I would look cute with burgundy. I think also like a dark chocolate brown looks so good. And then this little blonde wig is just given. I just love it. This definitely true to length. I believe this is 180 density. This hair, y'all need this hair. I'm sorry, Yolova really nailed it with this wig. The color is just beautiful. The way they colored it, beautiful. It didn't shed a lot, but of course, as you know, colored hair does shed a little more. It didn't shed too much, but it sheds a little just because it is colored from the bleach and stuff like that. But this wig just turned out beautiful. I love the way it turned out, so I'm excited to put this on. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on and everything. So I think this wig, we're not going to do baby hairs. So everybody doesn't need baby hairs. Some wigs just look even nice and sleeker without baby hairs because it lays just so effortlessly on the hairline. So enough of me talking about this beautiful wig. Let's go ahead and get started with installing this wig. And y'all, I'm sorry if you guys hear the air conditioner. It is hot, it's humid, it was raining, so excuse that. But first we are going to take some of this edge control. We're gonna take some It's Got to Be gel and just apply it to my hairline and just brush back those hairs just so that everything is back and nothing gets snatched. You already know we try and keep the edges light. Okay, now we're just going to brush all of this back. Alright guys, so now that we have everything pushed back, we're going to just put the wig cap on and get ready to spray it down. Okay, so now we're going to just cut this. Y'all, that's gonna have to be good enough. I'm not even gonna keep this on long because I'm not really installing this. I'm just doing it for review, but I think I did pretty good for the wig cap. I feel like I could have pulled this side down for the frontal. I never really done one with the sideburns, but I think I did all right. So we're gonna keep rolling and we're going to put her on and we're just gonna lay her down and yeah. Also guys, I did bleach the knots a little bit, but I'm going to spray just a little bit of this lace tint. This is by Eben, and I got light and medium, so I'm not really sure which one to use, but we'll just see, go back and forth with them. But I'm going to spray the inside, and I might spray a little bit on my lace, on my wig cap, so yeah. So here's what it looks like with the lace tint. I think the lace tint definitely is very effective, especially if you're not really good with bleaching knots. I'm still learning how to do that, so I think for now I'm just gonna start spraying it down. But let's go ahead and put this on and see what we're working with, and then we'll go from there. Okay y'all, so this is what she looks like on. I pulled it past the wig cap and this is what she's looking like. It looks really good. It's blending with my skin tone. I know it would definitely blend well because I am a lighter brown skin tone. It matches this wig perfectly. So I'm going to cut this down the middle and I'm going to do one side at a time. I got to take my glasses off to do the ear tabs and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and do one side at a time. Do this side and then we'll do this side. So just stay tuned and keep watching. my goodness, I had to come back on camera real quick because I really finessed this wig, and I'm telling you, when I had to snatch the wig off because the wig cap and just the way it laid just didn't work for me. I didn't like it. So I had to do some baby hairs for it. I'm actually really loving the results of it. I need to press it out a little bit more and do the hot comb, but it's a learning process, y'all. Like, trial and error. It's my first frontal, so I'm learning. I'm not even gonna do no sideburn. Listen, that's chalked. That's really chalked right now. I'm not doing that. We gonna roll with it how it is. Oh well, it still looks bomb. So we're going to go into using a flat iron and the hot comb, get this bone straight, and then I will wrap it up and tell you guys my final review. So let's go ahead and get this done. Alright, y'all, so what do you guys think of the finished results? I absolutely love this wig. Like, this is screaming fall in a wig, and I'm so excited to wear this. I can't believe this wig came out as good as it did. Like, I really finessed this wig because when I first cut the lace, it looked horrible. I'm talking about the lace. It was super light up here, and I couldn't figure out what to do. I really hope you guys like how this came out. I absolutely love the color on me. It looks really nice, and it's something different. I've never done like honey blonde highlighted. This is such a cute wig. I am sweating like crazy. These lights are killing me, so let's wrap this up. My final review, I love this hair. This hair performed so nice, bleaching, plucking, installing. Like, it just turned out so nice. Even though I had a little trouble, you know, with first laying it down, I finessed it, and I definitely will be wearing this very soon. I love this wig, and I cannot wait to wear it for the fall. Beyond baby soft. It's silky, it's not thin, it's definitely nice and thick. You know, once you wash it and stuff, it thickens up and stuff, so when you get it, it might look a little thin, but when you wash it and stuff, it definitely thickens up, and it is a beautiful unit. Check this out, guys, for the fall. If you're looking for something different, something honey blonde, something brownish for the fall, check out this wig from Yolova. It's not super expensive. The shipping is also not super long, so that's a plus with Yolova. The quality of the hair is amazing. I absolutely love this unit. It's so full, it's so silky, and it's just beautiful. I love it, and I cannot wait to style this and rock it with an outfit, because you already know how I do. Y'all gonna see the pictures on Instagram real soon. Gotta find out the right outfit, but y'all gonna see. So my overall review, this definitely is Shalisha Marie approved Yolova. I love their company. Definitely amazing customer service. I had no issues. They were going to replace this wig for me because of the issue I had in the beginning when it first got shipped to me, but nonetheless, this wig is beautiful. You get some nice free gifts with it. Even though it is bleached and colored, it does not shed a lot. You get a little bit, but it does not shed a lot. So I will have this wig linked down below and all the information about this wig so you guys can check it out. And I will have everything you need to know about this hair down below, so you guys can go check it out and get you guys this wig for the fall, because honey, it is fall and we are stepping, okay, this whole fall season, period. So that is the end of this video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see next from me with these fall videos. Also, let me know how you guys love the outcome of this wig install. I love it. Let me know how you guys love the color and stuff like that. So I can't wait to try this. I'm going to rip this off once I get done, because I want to actually relay it down, you know, properly, you know, to wear it out and stuff. But nonetheless, this turned out beautiful. I'm so impressed with the results. I absolutely love it. So this wig is me, and I cannot wait to wear it, because period, I'm feeling real bougie, like Beyonce, real rap, Beyonce vibes. Like, what? Stop playing with me, period. This is the stop playing with me wig. Stop playing with me, like, period. Like, go play with your baby daddy, okay? Thanks. So as always, make sure you guys are following me on social media. My Instagram is IamShalishaSflawless, Snapchat is PrincessGirl18, and Twitter is XYShalishasflawless. And of course, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here, a part of the family, duh. Like I said, let me know what other content you guys want to see this fall. We have about 3 good months of fall, so let me know what you guys want to see, and I will knock them out for y'all. You already know. Of course, don't forget to check out Yolova in the description box below to get more details about this hair. You are going to absolutely love this wig. Check it out. They have so many other different wigs, straight, curly, kinky curly, body wave. They have actual just no colored wigs, so color's not your style, you know, you just want a plain natural color wig. They have them on there. They have headband wigs. Girl, just go check them out. They are amazing. Customer service is A1. Quality of the hair is just by far amazing and beautiful. So check the description box below for everything, all the details. I will have everything below for you guys. And with all that being said, I will catch you guys back in my next video very soon. Bye everyone. Mwah.